Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge, however. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Cricut machines from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cricut Maker. This is currently the best Cricut cutting machine to buy. It comes with a bunch of features that are noticeably absent in other Cricut machines. It gives you the power to create a variety of products ranging from paper crafts to leather projects. One of the Cricut Maker's most noticeable features is its expandable suite of tools that grow with you as you grow in expertise. For instance, this machine's rotary blade has both rolling and gliding functions that make it easy for it to cut through any fabric without needing a backing material. Needless to say, it is the best Cricut machine for fabric of any kind. It also boasts of hundreds of digital sewing patterns and convenience features like a docking slot and a USB port. As if that isn't enough, this machine lets you access it through your smartphone or computer. Positive side of this product: powerful blades. Has Bluetooth connectivity. Produces high-quality cuts very quickly. Negative side of this product: limited cutting space. Number 2. Cricut Explore Air 2. With its cool color and the ability to cut over 100 materials, the Cricut Explore Air 2 is a thing of beauty. Using its embedded Bluetooth technology allows for wireless cutting, only one of its awesome features. Users particularly love its smart set dial function that sets the appropriate pressure and depth for the material you are cutting. This feature makes the Explore Air 2 the best Cricut machine for vinyl. Another thing we love about this machine is that it not only gives you access to Cricut's design software, but also allows you to upload your own designs to the machine. Moreover, it lets you design from anywhere using the Cricut Design app for Android and iOS devices. Positive side of this product: ample storage space. Precise cutting. Offers good value for money. Negative side of this product: it is louder than the previous model. Number 3. Cricut Joy Starter Bundle with Cricut Joy Machine. Cricut Joy is the latest and most compact Cricut cutting machine so far. This machine is significantly smaller than the previous models, Maker and Explore Air 2. It is only 5.5 inches and weighs only 3.9 pounds, 1.75 kilograms, so you can carry it anywhere you go. Like its predecessors, Cricut Joy allows you to customize your designs using a wide variety of line weights and pen types. The write, doodle and draw functions can achieve any shapes, patterns, letters, numbers, objects and more. The newest function is that it can work with longer materials and can produce continuous cuts without a cutting mat. The machine can cut a single image that measures up to 4 feet long and 4 inches wide, or create repeated cuts up to 20 feet long. The machine has Bluetooth built in, so you can design anywhere. This also eliminates the need for extra connections and cables. Positive side of this product: fast and quiet operation. Easy to set up, super portable and easy to travel with. 50 free online projects for inspiration. Negative side of this product: does not include Wi-Fi capabilities. Number 4. Cricut EasyPress 2. Cricut doesn't only produce cutting machines. It also produces some of the most impressive iron-on machines, one of which is the Cricut EasyPress 2. This machine has been said to have been as fast as a heat press yet as convenient as an iron. This can be attributed to its amazing features. One of them is its advanced heat plate design that allows for flawless heating. Users of the Cricut EasyPress 2 also like that it provides good results in a very short period of time. To ensure safety, this Cricut machine also comes with an insulated safety base with an auto shut-off feature. Let me mention that the Cricut EasyPress 2 comes with precise temperature control up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, it actually does. Positive side of this product: light and portable. Compatible with most heat transfer vinyl brands. Comes in a variety of sizes. Negative side of this product: it's a little pricey. Number 5. Cricut Mug Press. Imagine a fancy device that huffs and puffs and transforms your mugs into gorgeous-looking personalized drinking companions. Remove all the guesswork from the process. Explore thousands of designs and endless creative possibilities. All in a single press machine that will last for years. It is a single-button, foolproof mug pressing machine that automates the entire process. You don't have to worry about any setting. Just cut your favorite design using a Cricut infusible ink sheet, wrap it around a blank mug, and let the machine do the magic. It uses automatic temperature detection to optimize the heat and pressure settings required to permanently infuse the ink onto the mug's surface. And in case you are wondering about longevity, mugs printed by the Cricut Mug Press will stand the true test of time. The brand claims the designs will last forever, no matter how many times you use the mugs. It's a great tool for hobbyists, deers, and crafters who would want to turn their passion into a small business. Positive side of this product: easy setup and operation. Infusible ink technology ensures the designs are permanent. Foolproof mechanism that can be mastered by anyone. Negative side of this product: only Cricut infusible ink will work with the machine. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.